In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop being added to groups on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Instagram app. And once it is done, then just stop right here at your profile picture to head over to your Instagram profile page. Now we need to tap at these three lines at the top right corner. And then just scroll down and tap at Messages and Story Replies. Here you'll find the option Message Controls. And once you get into it, down below here you will find who can add you to group chats. That's where we can easily configure who can add us to group chat, and the default setting is the first one, which is called everyone on Instagram. So by default anyone can add you to group chat on Instagram. However, if you would like to limit who can add you to groups, then just select the second option, which is called only people you follow on Instagram. And from now on, only people you follow or have messaged before can add you to group chats. We cannot actually stop anyone from adding us to groups on Instagram because the Instagram doesn't give us that option. However, by using this method, we can limit users who can add us to groups. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.